Today, Iron Chef V will show us how to make Spam and Tamago Musubi. In her hand, she has, what is that thing called?
Seaweed.
Seaweed?
Nori.
Nori. And then what is that rectangular thing?
It's a musubi mold.
It's a
Musubi maker.
It's a Musubi maker. You know,
I only know
like
troublemakers in my life.
like you know. Oh,
So your
This
horizons were expanded.
This is a new friend.
so she put some rice in the mold, pressed it, and what type of poundage pressure are you putting in there?
As much as I can handle.
Okay, so let's say
Pringles.
you know
You want to keep it
4,000 pounds of pressure. No, just kidding. There's some pressure there,
cheese.
and then to make it
And our
like you
secret
can make it with anything. Also, secret
our
ingredient.
secret ingredient.
What is the secret ingredient called?
Cheddar cheese Pringles.
Cheddar cheese Pringles.
For a little crunch.
Okay, I'm just repeating what the Iron Chef says because she's talking so softly. She's usually a lot more louder, but today she must have lost her voice. So I will speak on her behalf. Okay, she just crushed the Pringles, and then she's adding a slice of Spam. And the Spam has been grilled a little bit, just to let you know. That's why it's that color. And then the egg. Oh, show us the egg. The egg is very pretty. And it's an egg, but I don't know what it's called. It's called tamago in Japanese.
Tamagoyaki.
Tamagoyaki.
So it's egg, sugar, and salt. You grill it on a rectangular pan and roll it on itself.
All right.
Road egg.
Oh yeah.
And then she's adding more rice on top to make it almost like a sandwich. Wow, that is very clever.
It's wonderful that we invented the idea.
I know. Oh man. Iron Chef invention. Okay. And she's pressing the mold again. Look at those muscles bulge out. And then it's coming out. Yes. Gave birth to a Spam Musubi. Oh. And then, she wrapped it. Look at that. It's perfect. She used just enough rice and the ingredients to make a nice topping. And she takes the knife. She's slicing it ever so carefully, as every Iron Chef should. And then she's presenting it in a way that looks very appetizing. And that's how you make Spam Tamago Chip Musubi. And with a smile.
Brought to you by Quok Productions.
It comes out really